Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by forcing a clean launch. Close Overwatch and the Blizzard app, then run the Blizzard app as administrator so permissions don't block files. Once done, open the game page and use Scan and Repair. This rebuilds corrupted files the game relies on. Make sure your install path is on a stable drive and that no overlays or recorders are running. Doing this first reduces variables and often resolves crashes tied to bad game files and permission conflicts. Next, target the environment. Update your GPU drivers with the latest WHQL release and choose a clean install to remove old remnants. Once done, install pending Windows updates and disable game mode and full screen optimizations for Overwatch so the OS won't interfere. Then reset the game config by moving or renaming your settings v1 file so Overwatch creates fresh defaults. These steps eliminate driver, OS, and corrupted config causes. Finally, if crashes continue, repair Windows system files with sfc/scano and dism commands to fix underlying OS corruption. Once done, reinstall Battle. Net and Overwatch to a new folder. This removes lingering corrupted installers. If the problem still happens, collect crash logs from the Blizzard folder and perform a clean boot or safe mode test to isolate third-party interference. If nothing helps, submit logs with a concise timeline. That gives support the exact evidence they need to identify rare causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.